In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from images in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know a fast, reliable way to make distractions disappear so your scene looks clean and natural. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. Give the photo a quick look to decide exactly who or what you want to remove and what background you expect to appear in its place. This mental note helps you guide the software to better results as you work. Next, choose the Selection Brush tool. You'll find it in the toolbar. It lets you paint a selection as if you're brushing over the person you want to remove. Adjust the brush size so it's a little larger than the details you're tracing. A larger brush is great for broad areas like clothing, while a smaller brush helps you work around edges like hair, hands, or gaps between arms. Carefully paint over the person and watch the marching ants outline what's selected. If the selection grabs too much background, switch the brush to subtract mode and paint it back out. Take your time around edges, zoom in for tighter control, and zoom out to make sure you're not missing anything. With the person neatly selected, go to the Edit menu and choose In-Painting Fill. This feature analyzes the surrounding pixels and automatically builds a believable background where the person used to be. Think of it as a smart, context-aware patch that pulls information from nearby textures, colors, and patterns. Once you're ready, click Apply. Affinity Photo will process the area and replace the selection in one step. If the fill looks off, maybe a repeating pattern or a smeared edge, simply undo, refine your selection a bit, and try in-painting. Fill again. A cleaner selection almost always produces a cleaner fill. To polish the result, switch to the In-Painting Brush tool. This tool lets you paint directly over any leftover artifacts along edges, seams, or shadows. Use a soft brush and adjust the size frequently so it matches the area you're fixing. Short, controlled strokes usually blend better than long drags, especially near lines or textures like bricks, waves, or grass. Zoom in, touch up the edges, then zoom out to check that everything looks natural. If you overshoot, undo, and repaint with a slightly smaller brush. That's it. Open your image, make a careful selection with the Selection Brush tool, run In-Painting. Fill from the Edit menu and click Apply, then use the In-Painting Brush tool to clean up the edges. With a steady hand and a little patience, you'll remove people convincingly and keep the focus where it belongs.